Welcome back, myself Azimuddin from Gaswal Education, and guys, in this video I'm gonna solve all the question answers of chapter number 2, The Merchant of Venice, which comes from English Fairy of class 7. So without any further ado, let's jump into the topic. Okay, and in the meanwhile I would like to tell you that you can turn on the captions so that you may see the answers on the screen itself. Okay, let me scroll down a little bit, and here we are with our questions. Very short answer type questions, and the very first question is, who was Antonio? And the simplest answer of this question is, Antonio was a young merchant in the city of Venice. And question number 2, what was Shylock's occupation? And the answer of this question is, Shylock was a moneylender who gave money at high rates of interest. Question number 3, where did Portia live? And the answer is, Portia lived at Belmont in Venice. Question number 4, who was Valerio? And the answer is, Valerio was a counselor of law and Portia's relative. Question number B, short answer type questions, 30 to 40 words. And the very first question is, how can we say that Antonio was a good friend? And the answer is, Antonio was a good friend because although he did not have money to help Bassanio, he borrowed the 3,000 ducats from his enemy Shylock. Full stop. He signed the bond drawn up by Shylock, comma, putting his own life in danger for his friend's sake. Question number 2. How can we say that Valerio was a clever lawyer? Give examples from the story. And the answer is, Valerio was a clever lawyer as he sent a letter to Portia advising her how to handle the case of Antonio. Full stop. On his advice, Portia was able to cleverly turn the tables against Shylock and save Antonio. Question number 3. Do you think Portia loved Bassanio? Give reasons for your answer. And the answer is, Portia loved Bassanio because first, she made certain that they were married before he set out for Venice so that he would get a legal right to her money. Full stop. Secondly, she approached Valerio, Bellario, for advice and help so that she could go to Venice and save Antonio's life. Question number 4. Why do you think Shylock was so eager to cut off Antonio's flesh? And the answer is, I think Shylock was so eager to cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh because he hated the merchant and wanted to put an end to him. And it was a very good opportunity for Shylock to fulfill his desire. Now let's talk about next questions, and these are long questions. I will display the answers of long questions on the screen later, so you have to watch this video completely. Okay, but first we will solve question number D, which are extract based questions. So this is the extract and these are the questions. Question A, who said this and to whom? And the answer of this question is, Antonio said this to Shylock. Question B, what was the bond? And the simplest answer of this question is, the bond was that if Antonio did not repay the money by a certain day, comma, he would cut off a pound of flesh from any part of his body. Question number C, what would have happened if he had not signed the bond? And the answer is, if Antonio would not have signed the bond, Shylock would not have given him 3,000 ducats and Bassanio would not have been able to go to Belmont and marry Portia. Now let's talk about second extract, and the first question is who said this, and the answer is Portia, who was in the disguise of a young lawyer, said this. Okay, and question B, what was the something else? The something else was the bond did not give Shylock any drop of blood. The bond expressively said a pound of flesh. Question number C, did it affect the court case? And the answer is yes. It affected the court case and Portia saved Antonio's life. Okay, so all the questions of this chapter are over, only long questions are remaining and they are here on the screen. So guys, if you like this video and if you like the solution, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Gasol Education, and share it with your classmates, with your friends, and all those people with whom it is possible. Okay, because my channel must go viral all over the world.